In this video, I will be showing you how to make a pattern in Canva using a secret trick. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the Canva homepage and click on Custom Size. I'm going to set my dimensions to 2000 by 2000 pixels, and then click Create New Design. Once my blank canvas opens, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for cute spring graphics. I'll take a moment to scroll through the results to find the perfect illustrations for my pattern. I'll start by selecting this colorful spring text graphic and placing it right in the center, resizing it so it has plenty of room around the edges. Next, I'll look through the magic recommendations to find matching elements. I'll add this cute yellow chick to the bottom right and a duck in a sun hat to the top left. I'm also going to bring in a bunny holding shamrocks for the top right corner and a floral rain boot for the bottom left. I'll continue to adjust the positions and sizes of each element, flipping the chick horizontally to face the other way and moving things around until the layout feels balanced. I'll also add some smaller details, like these tiny orange flowers, to fill in the gaps and add a bit more variety to the design. Now for the secret trick to turn this into a repeating pattern. I'll go to the Apps tab and search for an app called Patterned AI. Before I can use it, I need to turn my current layout into a single image. I'll click the Share button at the top right, select Download, choose PNG as the file type, and save it to my computer. Once the download is finished, I'll go back to the Patterned AI app, click on the Create tab, and upload the image I just saved. With the image uploaded, I can start customizing the pattern. I'll use the spacing and zoom sliders to adjust how the elements repeat across the canvas. I can also experiment with different pattern styles, like a standard grid or an offset layout, to see which one looks best. When I'm happy with the preview, I'll click Add as Background to apply it to my project. I can continue to fine-tune the look by adjusting the horizontal and vertical positions or changing the zoom level until the pattern is perfectly seamless. This is a great way to create custom backgrounds or digital papers for any project. Finally, I'll add a new page and apply the pattern there as well, showing how easy it is to scale and reposition the design to get the exact look I want.